When you are using your Android phone, you may delete some important files by mistake. In this situation, you will want to get these deleted files back. In this video I'll show you two methods to recover deleted photos and videos on Android phones. Method 1. Android Recycle Bin. Android 11 has a hidden recycle bin for trashed photos and videos. Here is how to access and recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin in Android phones, like Samsung Galaxy and Redmi phones. Firstly, tap on Gallery. On the bottom right corner, tap on the three-dot option. From the drop-down menu, tap Recycle Bin and turn it on. Now you will see all your recently deleted photos and videos here. Note: deleted items will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before they are deleted forever. To recover deleted photos or videos, select Photos or Videos and tap on the Restore option. Now you will find the deleted photos and videos have been restored to the phone gallery again. Unfortunately, not all Android phones do have the recycle bin. So, if there is no recycle bin or the photo already deleted from your phone, then the following. Method 2. Using third-party app. There are several apps that claim to recover deleted pictures on Android smartphones. While many of them do not work, go to Play Store. Now search for Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Note: on a non-rooted device, Disk Digger is limited to recovering images from your thumbnail caches, which means that the images will likely be of a lower quality than the original photos or videos. Recovering the full-resolution original versions of the photos or videos is only possible by rooting your device and getting the pro version of the app. If Disk Digger couldn't find your photos, simply go to the settings and unchecking the minimum file size factor. This will reveal your deleted pictures. Once you've recovered your photos, you'll want to make sure this never happens again. To do this, we recommend using an app such as Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.